welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Bomb scare forces Rajdhani Express to halt at Margao Railway Station. Train halted for almost 40 minutes. No explosives found. Director of Higher Education urges people to be vigilant while selecting institutes. Attempt on to curb non-affiliated institutes. No more a chairman of Goa State Cooperative Bank. No confident motion passed against Mure 8-0. Mure claims he is still a chairman. Indian Olympic Association asks Federation to support Goa's Lusophonia Games 2013. Infrastructure worrying factor, says Indian Olympic Association General Secretary Rajdhani Express. And molding the youngsters into good citizens is Cesar Football School's aim. Under 14 boys can stay on with Cesar Football Academy if they are good enough, says Mukherjee. And now the news in detail. Bomb scare forced the Trivandrum Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express to halt at Margao Railway Station on Wednesday. The train halted for almost 40 minutes. Later it got green signal only after Goa Bomb Disposal Squad confirmed that nothing was found on the train.
The Trivandrum Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express was halted at Konkan Railway Station at Margao after an anonymous caller claimed that a bomb was planted on the train. The incident occurred at 11:20 in the morning. The train was halted in Margao Railway Station for almost 40 minutes. The Goa Bomb Disposal Squad along with the sniffer dogs checked the entire train. It's only when they confirmed that nothing was found on train the authorities gave a green signal for the train to go.
All the station master, everyone was alerted. And then our Assistant Security Commissioner, RPF, he intimated the same info. He gave the information to bomb disposal squad, then Konkan Railway Police, and accordingly bomb disposal squad from Panjim, then fire brigade, ambulance, all were summoned at Margao station. This train had arrived Margao station at 11:20, and after thorough checking of all the passengers and their baggages, nothing was found as such, and train was allowed to proceed further.
The Margao Fire Brigade and 108 ambulance services were also summoned as a preventary measure by the authorities. Sources say that the information was shared by Delhi police that possible attack could occur on Rajdhani Express. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Director of Higher Education has urged people to be vigilant while selecting institute for the courses they wish to pursue. This warning has come on the backdrop of the act that is being constituted to curb non-affiliated campuses in the state. Meanwhile, students of INIFD Institute have been cheated for around 70,000 rupees. Porvorim police have registered a cheating case against the director of INIFD.
Higher Education Department is all set to complete the groundwork for the act that will put a stop to the unaffiliated institutes in the state. Department is planning to complete the work by August and get it passed in the coming assembly session.
खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात भुरगे फटयले गेल्ले वतात. तांकां तांची खबर नासतना किंवा योग्य इन्फॉर्मेशन कसलेंच घेनासतना ही कॉलेजां स्टार्ट करतात. गव्हर्नमेंटाची तांकां मान्यता आसना, NOC घेतिल्ले आसना, तांचे कडेन कसलेंच वॅलीड लायसन्स नासतना ती इन्स्टिट्यूशन सुरू जातात. आणि अशी इन्स्टिट्यूशनां जाय तितली पब्लिसिटी करतात आणि ती पब्लिसिटी करून तातूंतल्यान अल्टिमेटली भुरगो सफर जाता. अपील टू द स्टुडंट दॅट इफ दे बिफोर टेकिंग एनी एडमिशन टू एनी इन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज देअर बाउंड इन ड्युटी. तांणी स्वता पयलीं पळोवपाक जाय बाबा आपूण कसल्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनाक एडमिशन घेता आनी हें इन्स्टिट्यूशन सस्टेन जातलें काय ना, हें इन्स्टिट्यूशन आपलो कोर्स जायसर चलतलें काय ना, ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूशना फॅकल्टी कसली आसा, हें सगळें तांणी पयलीं प्रत्येक भुरग्यान हो निर्णय घेवपाक जाय.
In yet another case, INIFD Institute based in Porvorim has allegedly cheated around 10 students for a total of 71,000 rupees. The director of INIFD, Mrs. Anupama Katiaini, has been booked under Section 420 of the IPC.
Complaint against International Institute of Fashion Design. ह्या संस्थेच्या संबंधी की त्या संस्थेन भुरग्यां कडल्यान पैसे घेतले, तांकां कोर्स कंप्लीट करपाक दिलो ना, तांकां डिग्री ज्या युनिवर्सिटीची मेळोवपाची ती मेळोवपाक दिली ना, and therefore the students have now lodged a complaint against that institution in the Parwari police.
According to the director Bhaskar Naik, Yashwantrao Chavan University, which is a big wig in distance education field, has almost 6,000 Goan students studying in it. But surprisingly, it also runs illegal campuses in Goa. Director has also clarified that permissions have been granted for centers and not campuses.
Before opening any center anywhere, they must seek the permission of the local government and NOC of the local government. Accordingly, AMI म्हज्या माहिती प्रमाणे एक 2-4 इन्स्टिट्यूशनां कडेन अशे प्रकारचे आमी NOC दिल्ले आसा.
Head of North Goa YCMOU Center has also expressed disbelief over the illegal campuses mushrooming in Goa.
कारण गेल्या बऱ्याच वर्षापासून गोव्यातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची जी फसवणूक सुरू झाली त्या फसवणुकीक किंवा त्या सगळ्या गोंधळाच्या वातावरणात या कायद्यान काहीसो पायाबंद बसतलो अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता. ह्या कायद्याचो आमचेर कितें परिणाम जातलो किंवा ओपन एज्युकेशन सिस्टमाचेर कितें परिणाम जातलो जाल्यार जे कायद्यान इन्स्टिट्यूट्स गोंयांत सुरू आसा तांच्या वयर म्हाका तरी दिसता की कितें विशेष असो परिणाम जावचो ना. पूण काही ठिकाणी इल्लिगल गोष्टी तातूंतय शिरकाव जाल्लो आसा. काही एजंटगिरी सुरू जाल्या किंवा काही फ्रँचायसीस सुरू जाल्या. काही लोक अनऑथोरायज भुरग्यांक आश्वासनां दिता की तुमकां कितें तरी एग्जामी खातीर हेल्प करुया किंवा वॉट एवर थिंग्स आनी तांच्या कडल्यान चड पयशे घेवन काही गैरप्रकार करप. अशे काही प्रकार या ओपन युनिवर्सिटी एज्युकेशन सिस्टमान आमी पळयता गेल्या काही वर्सांत किंवा विशेषतः गेल्या वर्साच्यान आमकां खूब दिसपाक लागल्या.
With bureau inputs, our reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
No confidence motion was passed against Chairman Ramchandra Moe of Goa State Cooperative Bank 8-0 on Wednesday. Ramchandra Moe claims that he is still the chairman of GSCB. Meeting for deciding the no confidence motion was held after High Court dismissed the petition filed by Chairman Moe and 6 other directors challenging the powers of the State Registrar to convey board's meeting.
Meeting to decide no confidence motion against Chairman Ramchandra Moe was held in boardroom of Goa State Cooperative Bank in Panaji on Wednesday after High Court dismissed the petition filed by Chairman Moe and 6 other directors. The motion was passed against Moe 8-0. Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Societies Anil Desai presided over the meeting. He informed the media that Ramchandra Moe ceases to be the chairman of GSCB.
Today's meeting, which was convened for the purpose of considering the no confidence motion against Ramchandra Moe, chairman of the Goa State, and the motion has been carried out 8-0. So Ramchandra Moe ceases to be the chairman of the Goa State Cooperative with effect from 28/6/2012, and the post shall be deemed to be vacant.
However, Ramchandra Moe claims that he is still the chairman of GSCB. He would challenge the order of the High Court in the Supreme Court. Moe claims that meeting was convened by the State Registrar without any instructions from the Central Registrar.
म्हाका काडून अजून कित्याक तेणी जो काडलो पळय म्हणटा ती 8 मतां आनी 8 मतां तुमी पळयलें म्हाजे कडेन 8 मतां आसात. आतां यू हॅव सीन जस्ट नाव के वी आर टोटल 16 डायरेक्टर्स, 8 डायरेक्टर्स विथ मी आनी 8 डायरेक्टर पास नो कॉन्फिडन्स. आतां नो कॉन्फिडन्स पास करपाक जेन्ना 8 जाता तेन्ना नो कॉन्फिडन्स पास जायना, तो फेल जाता. जो पर्यंत कायद्याची लढाई हांव करिना म्हणजे हांव कायद्याचे वर्डिक्ट जो आसा आय वील चॅलेंज इन द हाय कोर्ट. परत मागीर पिटिशन वयतलें बाबा म्हाका काडलं पळय तें बरोबर आसा काय कितें, कायद्याची तेणी केस काडल्या तें बरोबर आसा काय कितें. सुप्रीम कोर्टाक आयच्या आमी जजमेंटाचेर आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक वचपाचें आसा. पण हे सगळे कायद्याची लढाई जाय पर्यंत हांव पॉलिसी डिसिजन म्हाजो वायस चेअरमॅन जो आसा तो घेतलो, हांव घेवपाचो ना. सकाळीं फोर्सिबली शेड्यूल जाल्ली मिटींग 22 तारखेक ती कॅन्सल केली. कित्याक बोर्ड मिटींग इज अ रेग्युलर बिजनेस ऑफ द बँक. की आमचे कडेन कस्टमर जे आसा त्या कस्टमरांक आयज जर आमी सर्वीस दिली ना तर ते कस्टमर आमचे कडेन वयतले. कित्याक आमचे बारीक बारीक लोन प्रपोजल आसता, गाडी प्रपोजल आसता आनी कितें आसता, ताका बोर्ड मिटींग जाय पडटा. म्हणून बोर्ड मिटींग सुद्दां एज पर शेड्यूल आमी 22 तारखेक आमची मिटींग आसतली. सेविंग क्लॉज 2002 नंतर जाय आशिल्लो जाल्यार 9 कित्याक दिल्लें, 5 कित्याक दिल्लें. सो तें डायरेक्शन जायच. ते सकाळी जे कितें केलां म्हणटा पळय न्ही ते 8-8 जाल्ले कारणान ते नल आनी वायटच न्ही. कित्याक 8-8 जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना म्हाजे कडेन न्ही 8 आसात तेंचे कडेन 8 आसात. सो जो नो कॉन्फिडन्स येयलो तो डिफीट जालो.
Meanwhile, elections of Board of Directors of Goa State Cooperative Bank would be held in first week of September. Our reporter from Panaji, Navdeep Agyar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.